as them a try to give Alkaline back a shine.
So you see March 21st, Barclays now good again.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everybody, man. Is it? Big up all of my supporters. No, what things said. You don't know one Media Fox man up, don't? Yeah, man. But people, you know, you look at interview where they were Jeffrey do and, you know, bag of Alkaline and thing. But look at now. Fish Kevin getting nine feelings. You understand? Cause him over there and see what I go on and say, yo, he maybe all up on TikTok and say, yo, the interview I go viral with Alkaline and, you know? Yeah, and true, I know female artist in a conversation, him vex. Yeah, man, him a crash out, man. I tell him already, you know. Brother, the way you move, dog, you better, I don't know if you want, it's like, to me, you want to replace them, brother. I tell you. Replace them. Because in the interview, Jeffrey said, Alkaline, if you get more, what? Something like, more, him should have bigger than Cartel. He should not get more stream and all of them something. One bag of trash. See, knowing say, yo, Cartel in that business for years before Alkaline. You see me? Yeah, but you know them got to work already. They want an interview and can't get it. So you know them are follow the bag of thing. See, look here now. Remember, you know, Jeffrey at this Alkaline, you know. See? So him getting a feelings now. You man like a skettle, man. You don't know. Cartel send him 3 line and him a crash out. You him feel like say him there always see them spot there. You see me? Yeah, but look here now. He went forward out and say, kind of feelings about the interview. True. Him feel like say JF a promote Alka and not promoting artists. Yeah, man. You what am I going to say now?
Timeless, because them a try to give Alkaline back a shine. Una try to give him a shine off of him dick. Cause, bro, lights out. The man them park up themselves. The man them now go a road. The man them only go in a community when they want to do video. The man them now interact with ghetto people. The man them now got Uptown Monday. The man them now got Bossy Tuesday. The man them now got Boom Sunday.
But yeah, this a brother. You think, cause you talk about superstar. Brother, it's like, you don't want artists to turn move like a regular person, that you don't want. Because the artists, them are out there in the street every day. Them nah get the support from the people, them. Make sure that when them put out them music, them nah give them no bag of views, them in a conversation. You understand? Them the artists or the people them see in the party every day. And brother, them respect the artists them what them not say every day more than the people them what them say every day. Because if me a party every night and see an artist every 5 show for the 5 plays of the week, brother, me I go look on you like a regular person like me. Cause you're there everywhere. You not move like an artist. You're there everywhere, dog. You see me? So, him in a feelings, you know, through Alka, do him I do. I move like, you see me? You don't know Alkaline a superstar already. You see me? Yeah, superstar, you don't see them unless it's a reason. You see me? You not see them in the street every day and all of these things. And Alkaline having people, them they go promote him song and everything. Yeah, Alkaline need for the Uptown Mondays, this and that and Ray. Cause the artists them were there every night, them still not give them the support. Because at the end of the day, Alkaline fans are always with him. You understand? Supporting music, all of these things. You see me? Yeah. So what you say now make no sense, dog.
The man them not in the street. You don't see the difference with separate man from boy. Cartel in the street. Mavado in the street. The dog them a go out there. The dog them a make the fan base see them.
Brother, see more while not talk. You going like say Cartel in no street every day. The man forward from prison dog and make couple runs and Ray and this and that. You see Cartel live boy in the streets. We not even see Cartel go Portmore, bro. The place went forward from him, we not even see him over there. So we talk about in the street. Mavado get him chance cause him did lockdown. Him get him tough for going in place. Alkaline forward there and shoot him video and all of them little things. So I don't know what you talk about, bro. You just in your feelings, dog. Because of the interview. What? You Jeffrey not really talk about your artist. How I go on? Because, brother, fish mentality you don't deal with, you know. Yeah, man. Because when not reason, when you carry some slackness You see me? Because you know your feelings because of man. You see it?
Yeah. Separate big man from boy. So all of that try to give him a sign, just go and sign him dick. Because of that you do over there so. Vendetta. You understand? You go and sign dick man. Because of that you do over there so. We over here so. We are glorify success over here so.
But what you just say a while ago? You glorify what? Because, brother, me tell you with Uni, you know. You see me? Uni no rate music, a man no love dog. You see me? Yeah, because everybody found out and do what them have to do. You as a Jeffrey a promote alcohol or whatsoever, you get in your feelings. Oh, you get in your feelings now. As I tell you the people, Alkaline are mad them, you know. People, you see how when Barclays Center, people, I gotta tell you this. You see when Barclays Center finish, trust me, the whole of them are go forward out. I tell you that all of them are go forward out, people. I chat a bag of things, bag of excuses, yo price, this, that. One bag of thing them are go forward with, man. You see me? But you don't know how Alka did film thing already. You see me? The youth just do him job and get the hell out of there. You see it? But the money are always in them feelings and certain things. You see me?
You understand? Making money are the ultimate goal when it comes to Barclays cartel and the Gaza. Gaza is all about money, bro. We're not about what you're not talking about. We're about money. You see what I do? When I try size up every artist with cartel, one on one, them name go out the back. You see, say,
Who size up name? Me not understand that, brother. Who no me know love size up cartel with other artists? That me sure. Cause other artists can't do nothing. As I look at you do interview and say them are king, or them say them are have dancer up them back, wanna attack them. You understand? Anytime somebody forward out and make you feel like say yo, them a do something in a dance hall, wanna attack them. Yo, go sit down, man. You see a cartel this, cartel that. Brother, more while you make cartel just look like one artist when I try that. You see we on the meds. You see me? The way how uno meds that nah do nothing for the artist, brother. You see me? I always say, yo, if the bag of chatting with cartel and the Gaza man them forward out, can me tell you this? Me know good Gaza people. You see me? And me know me have Gaza people who rate the movement same way. You see it? But you see them man make Gaza look bad. I tell you. Like, make it look like say Gaza is a movement when I want to see nobody else be great. You see it? So every time someone with an artist out there, them forward out. Bam bam, all if one artist to interview. Make him go say, yo, I'm telling me next future king. Rotted. Bag a problem. You see me? Bag a problem. Nobody else. Not you see themselves great or a great artist. You see me? Because them feel like say a cartel alone in a dance hall. I know say it work, bro. You see me artists out, you have other artists out there. Can do them thing. You don't feel like say, yo, a cartel alone, they put in the work and I contribute to dancehall. I know say it work, brother. One man can't do. You don't know that. But because you have a love man mentality, dog. You see me? Yeah. Because you get in your feelings, you know. Through Jeffrey talk about Alka, you say, yo, I want to promote Alka. Yeah, Gaza man, are you in your feelings over one interview with Alkaline, brother? It show you, dog. You see me? Because at the end of the day, from day one, from Alkaline boss, you understand? I just the cartel thing. Imagine as a little youth, we just get a little, spotlight, and I ask a question. And the man say, yeah man, rate every artist, man. You see me? Then you go ask the youth if you have a special ratings for your next man. You see me? I wonder if a man for made the music or I made the next man. You see it? So we know the dancehall space work already. You don't know corruption and all these things. You see it come like say, yo, no other artists no fear do certain things. But at the end of the day, music, I remember say Alkaline tell us say, yo, you think him a party and girl out him thing. And music himself. From the get-go him say it. Because the youth see what go on in the industry. Enough of them artists that you see out there in the street every night. Them not get the support like the artists them where them not too see every day. For sure. Them not get that they support their brother. Them just look like a common artist. It's like, alright, if them artists are in the street every day, right? The people them know say, oh, him did this every night. You don't know how people work. Yeah, people might vibes with you and thing, but brother, yeah, I just look like a regular person to them. Cause them can mingle with you and all of them little thing there. You see it? Superstar level, brother. Not because you know see an artist out there in the street every day and I mean say, yo, him not rate them people. You see me? Cause when you have a lot of things to deal with, yeah, that's what it said. And you have to understand, say, yo, the dancehall space not rate Alkaline. You see me, the industry, so no want him mingle with certain things. And you know the politics already out there. You see me? Yeah. So, a bag of things match at people, I be a madness. But, you know them go to work already.
Anyone in the size them up with cartel. Nobody don't know about them, brother. Size up on the artist with any other artist and see what. Nothing. Fall upon deaf ears. Are the man with them, I do?
People, you know say a while ago? This a man, yo, if this a man, I know fish something wrong. Me I tell you this. You see how them man sit down in them car, dog, and talk about a man so in a them type of way, it show you, bro. You see it? It show you, dog. Cause more while, them man not care, brother. Kevin just found out where the true cartel free now. If cartel never free from prison, you know, nobody would know him. A true cartel right now, him not rate. You think him rate? Him not genuinely rate the movement. Him not rate Gaza. Him just do it for the hype and the little money thing and all of these things. Cause whenever him father and say him buy cartel music, you see him just use cartel name right now. That him a do. Because if him do really genuinely, him would not do it from the get go. You see me? Because look here now. Back from when TikTok forward. Seeing TikTok forward for a good look a while now. But you know why him never start all of this and go tantrum? Because him never sure if cartel will come out. But you know, through your run with a wave, when cartel are prison, a wave never really did it. So look at now, when cartel forward out now, and a forward and near for forward out, yeah, him create TikTok and with this Gaza thing and every little thing. Enough of them not genuinely, dog. Yeah, some of them at all, them not genuinely. You see, them just want attention from a man. That's it. Cause them not promoting music. You see me, them not do them thing there. None at all. You see it, them just a act for the time being. You see it? Yeah, man.
Tell the artist them go find song, man. When go find song and forward out a road and you know me I say I want to do the right thing. But you see this one I size up. There are no artists out there that can size up with cartel. The man is a mega star. The man is a superstar. The man is a living legend. Who said the artist is a living legend? A dead people them call legend, brother. We never have a living legend. It's the first living legend. Then wait till you're dead. The old
People, I tell you that, yo, them money are done, see the brother. Them money are done, see the bro. I tell you that. Them done still them fool. Man's a living legend. Man's the only legend will live. Jaja youth. I tell you that, yo. It's when man dip on the mind, dog, when you fall out and chat some shit with bro. You see it? You take up on the camera and chat one bag of shit. You see it? Can remember one time in a people, the boy Sigma Cartel post the rose rice in a garage. Seeing? Three boy want happy in a car, and I tell you, them boy want their own cartel every day, like a girl, You understand? That them want, You see me? So look at now. The boy do a editing. Like he might post up front of the rose rice. I say watch a sissy here. A man weekly want cock up in it. Brother, I tell you, them man, brother, you have to watch out for them, brother, ya dog. You see me? See the bag of man them will get loads up on the media because of one man. Trust me. Something about them. I tell you that. You see it, but I just show the person of hard out for telling no what I go on. You see it? Yeah, man. Cause them not real. Remember when I time Cartel must post a video with the hairstylist and the man run out and say, yo, Cartel nah did that, And when the frigga find out say, yo, no, never go so. See him? Him run out come a ball now. Yo, say, yo, whenever me, somebody me see I do it first. Yes, man. We not rate Gaza, dog. You see me? You see through Gaza have the hype thing and the cloud thing. Yeah, it's easy for you to forward out and chat the Gaza thing. That me I tell you. It's easy, dog. You see me? Because if you don't get up every day, one of those all when you not genuinely do it, yeah. Because right now if you dip on TikTok and TikTok never did appear, me I tell you that. You wouldn't do what you do. You see me? Them youth are fake, man. But you know say one Kevin that, one gave in. You see it?
You ain't no found of a ton legend and one of no dead, brother. I did get that while he's alive, bro. A walkie ground. I understand. There's no other artist like Addy. So I have to try size up.
Yo, you see March 21st? Barclays not good again.
You hear that? Barclays not good again, people. May I tell you, Barclays not good again. It's going to be a historical moment for the vendetta people them. And the man himself, Alkaline. I don't know what thing said. Barclays Center, March 21st, loading. Because, see, a bag of people are pull up ticket and this and a watch. Go and watch, man. Just go and watch. You see me? Go and watch, man. You see? Just go and watch the ticket them and go and have sleepless night. Come here, tell you people, the man them out there, no? Man them not sleep every time, man. Every day, man them pull up. Man them pull up Alkaline Barclays ticket them every day, dog. You know how they do it, brother. You see? Them is a vendetta. But the man them pull up a ticket them every day. Cha. You to the danger. But people, remember, you know, Barclays Center do it. You see it? They go loud. Trust me, there's gonna be a moment, man. You see me? There's gonna be a talk about too. A bag of things I go talk, you know. I tell you.
Outside, man. Tell them, no, man. Whole vendetta clan outside, man. Oh, I'm told you. March 21st, no good dog. The amount of phone call me get. People from England are flying. Dogs them from Florida are flying.
Everybody are flying for that one, yeah. That me I tell you. Yeah, man, everybody are flying for your Barclays, man. You see it? But you don't know so you go haters them I go talk, but play still like a shell. You see me? Helter skelter. So you know what things said. But Alka do it. You see me from 2013 to now, he might do it. Without a doubt. Yeah, man, they might go forward and say a bag of thing, but you don't know. Sure, Alka not sit down and chat up with them, you know? Yeah, he would have been them favorite. You see it, so the bag of chatting, you know what things said. People are always talk. But you don't know when I really watch that. You see me? We just correct the narrative, and that is it. You see it?
Bro, all over the place. We have them from Atlanta. Whole vendetta clan of that Brooklyn. Yo, March 21st, Barclays loud. That one if you know.
Yeah, man, Barclays loud. You see me? Yeah, you don't know. Alkaline, first arena in the state. You see me? Yeah, so it's a good look, yeah, man. It's a good look for the artists. And for no say, yo, and the fans them out for him, dog. I tell you, you don't know, Alkaline is very important to the world. As in, know the world Alkaline, you know, different format. Yeah, but you see the human one, the artist, the man himself, the young lad, the vendetta boss. Yeah, man, my center attention, man. So you don't know him name, I go always Dede. Him name stamping at the business. You see it? Them can't stop the movement, man. You see it? Because at the end of the day, you know, people are going to always be people. People are going to always hate. You see me? Until them can't hate no more, them just be a fan. You see it? Yeah, because some of them just do it, forget a hype. You see me? But at the end of the day, when them in them house, Alka sang them a beat in a speaker box. You see me? Yeah. But people, respect, you know, respect for the support. You know what things said. Yeah, man. Big up all of my people, them. Big up all of my fans, them. And tell you that, as Alkaline say, big up my fans. I want media facts. You don't know what things said. Bless up. That is it.